Crafties back. Today we're doing candy popsicles. With all you need is your favorite candy and favorite juice. Make sure to like and subscribe. But let's get started. First, start off with the red. I got some red juice. We're gonna start with the juice. So refreshing. Let's pour it in. Boom. Oh, never mind. I thought that was enough. Now that's too much. Now we're gonna put the gummy bears in. Oh. Now that I'm thinking, I have to fill them all up first. Perfect. Next one. Oh no, it's overflowing. Time to add the gummies. 1 gummy, 2. I'm gonna add 6 gummies in each. Ooh, overflowing it. Okay, we got 5 gummies over here. There we go. I think they're overflowing. Good. Oh, and guys, and the very last thing, very important, freeze it and enjoy it when it's done. Hi guys, welcome back. It's been a few days. Now for the popsicles. Now it's time to test them out. Let's get this popsicle tastes so good. I could just eat it all in a bite. Well, guys, thank you for watching. These taste amazing. Bye-bye.